Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to send money with Remitly app. So let's get started. Open the Remitly app and you'll be welcomed by its clean, easy to use interface. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the send option located in the middle of the navigation bar. Once you're on the next page, enter the amount you wish to send and ensure you've selected the correct destination country for the transfer. Next, choose a delivery method based on your recipient's location. Options include cash pickup, bank deposit, mobile wallet, and more. Afterward, select your preferred payment method, whether it's a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Double-check all your details, and once everything looks good, tap on Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter the recipient's information, including their full name and personal details. Once done, tap Continue. On the final step, review everything once again and select Confirm Transfer to complete your transaction. And that's it, you are done.